Now let's look at this figure 17-17 that comes from Stallcup's Electrical Design Book, Volume 2. And we're reviewing feeders supplying transformers plus utilization equipment as defined in Article 100 in accordance with 215.2 B as in boy 2. Now notice in the quick calc information above the illustration, 215.2b2. We take those transformers just like previously in the previous illustration, 90 amps at 100% plus 30 amps at 125% now by this calculation procedure. And 215.2b2, we come up with 127.5 amp. So the load, calculated load, is 127.5. The connected load is 90 amps and 30 amps. Now, our terminal ratings, again, it's important to know that 110.40, 90 degrees C. This service supply is 4160 volt, 3-phase, 4-wire. Again, we're connected to a driven rod in accordance with 250.53 D as in dog 2, and the metal water pipe 250.52A1, and we're supplementing it. Now, you can see that the feeder is routed to transformers and utilization equipment with connected loads of 90 amps and 30 amps, and they do operate together simultaneously. The feeder conductor shall not be less than the sum of the nameplate ratings of the transformers plus 125% of the defined utilization equipment per Article 100 that operates simultaneously in accordance with 215.2b2. So basically then we need to go over to Article 311 and select conductors in say a metal raceway routed above grade, and we would select a conductor that would give us 127.5 amp terminated to 90 degrees C terminals. So that's important when you start terminating and selecting your ampacity. And that's what this figure 17-17 is illustrating to the user of the NEC.